Managing clients across a CRM, task manager, and chat feels like a never-ending scavenger hunt. You're constantly switching tabs, losing context, and dropping the ball. Enter Uspacy. It unifies your CRM, tasks, and team chat into a single AI workspace. Finally, one place to track leads, deals, and client history without the tab overload. But the real magic is the AI. It automatically turns messages, emails, and even call transcripts into tasks with deadlines and owners. It summarizes long threads and drafts follow-up emails instantly. Sales teams get custom funnels, automatic contract generation, and built-in telephony, call clients straight from the deal card. No more app switching just to make a dial. Your daily dashboard surfaces missed calls, open tasks, and upcoming meetings. You see exactly what needs attention the second you log in. It integrates with WhatsApp, Zapier, Make, and Facebook lead ads. Perfect for C-suites, remote teams, and sales managers who need alignment without the noise. Right now, you can grab a lifetime deal on AppSumo, backed by their "We Got Your Back" guarantee. One payment, unlimited access to your new command center. Stop hunting for context. Start closing deals. Click the link below to claim your Uspacy lifetime deal before it sells out. Subscribe for more tool reviews.
Build a single agentic AI space to actually run your company. Sales, tasks, team, and communication without juggling in multiple subscriptions and services. Let's see what's inside. CRM, it's genuinely easy to use and powerful. Build multiple pipelines, drag deals from lead to payment, and open client cards to see everything. Every email, call, and message